What is going on, y'all? Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com, and I've got an AMA video for you today. Ask me anything. This one's brought to us by Ryan, and he's got a question on getting back on track after falling off the wagon. So, before we dive into that, let's roll the intro. All right, so Ryan asks, "Hey Robert, any good tips or advice for getting back on the wagon? Life has hit hard and I fell off after 4 years of being strict, and the last year I have been off and on. I'm going to go strict again and commit to this lifestyle. Take care, sir." All right, well Ryan, you are in good company because I'm sure so many of the people watching this video have also fallen off the wagon at some point or another. I'm recording this soon after the holidays where a lot of people fell off the wagon. And the reality of the situation is, as simple as it sounds, you just get back on. I know it's easier said than done, but here is the simple facts. We all inherently know, deep down in our core, in our being, in our fibers, if we are living our best life or if we are procrastinating, taking shortcuts, and just selling ourselves short. You know that, I know that, we all know that. That's going to look different for every individual. What is hard to me may be easy to somebody else, and vice versa. But you know if you are giving forth your best effort or not. So by the sounds of this question, you know that you want to get back on track. You want to adhere to that diet and lifestyle and to kind of regroup, recenter, and refocus. And if you know that's what you need to do and you know that's where you've fallen short, then you just simply take that, grab life by the horns, and get back on that horse and ride hard. And the reality is, the more time you adhere to something, the easier it becomes. When I first started working out, I didn't like some of the things. I didn't like doing squats. I didn't do legs the first year and a half of working out because I didn't like the way it made me feel. But then I realized that I was selling myself short by skipping leg day, and now I don't ever skip leg day. The same is true with nutrition. I've been able to adhere to a ketogenic lifestyle for the past 10 years because I've just stuck with it so long that it's just become my normal day-to-day. Like going to the gym, eating a ketogenic diet is now just as much part of my day as brushing my teeth. But it didn't start out that way. Time and doing something over a compounded period of time is where it becomes habitual. We don't rise to the level of our ambitions and desires. There's 7 billion plus people on this planet. Every single one of them want to have six-pack abs and look good naked, yet very few of them do. It's because we don't rise to the level of our ambitions. We fall to the level of our habits and routines. So know what your habits and routines are. Take analysis of your day-to-day actions and activities. Be honest with yourself. Take inventory of them. If you know there's areas where you can improve, then work that in, schedule it in, commit to it, and do not deviate. And if you do that for long enough, it no longer becomes difficult. All the people that are like there as naysayers and pushing you the wrong direction, you know, you gotta take inventory of your inner circle too. Like if they're not there on your team for the right reasons, then, you know, push them aside. Maybe cut that tie for the time being. You know deep down what you need to do. And nobody can make you do it except you. I can sit here and speak motivation all day long, but at the end of the day, you are the only one that's going to be putting forth the action, and I can be here to support you, and I will, and I'm sure you've got other people in your corner that will also support you, but you know what you got to do, so go out there and do it, man. Appreciate y'all for tuning in, and the way these AMA videos work is if you submit me a well-thought-out question via the link in the description below, and I use your question, I will send you some free keto bricks with the flavor of your choosing. Ryan requested some chocolate peanut butter cup, so I've got some of those headed your way, brother. Appreciate the question, and kill 2025, man, and all of y'all. Take care.